Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete your Bershka account. So first of all, we of course have to have an account and have the application. So first you just need to go to the App Store and download the Bershka application. When you did that, of course you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Bershka. But guys, if you do not have, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Bershka videos, where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Bershka home screen where you have some stuff from Bershka, so promotions, sales, and whatever you want to buy. So basically they want to promote their new things here. We have the search bar where you can go and write anything you want to buy. So jackets, dresses, whatever. You can see the most searched things and the things that you might be interested in. We have the menu where you have the women, men, and the teen menu, where all of the new clothes, shoes, accessories, customizations, and everything are in one place. We also have the basket where you can put all the things that you want to buy in one place and here in the basket. And in the top right corner, we have your favorites where you can go and put your favorites in. Also, here we have your everything about your account. So you have your purchases, personal details and addresses, inbox, contact settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually delete your account. So basically what you need to do is go to the account option here and go and follow these few steps. Basically, you just need to go and click on personal details and addresses. Then out of all of these options, you can see the last option is delete account. Click on it and it will ask you a question here. They'll want to delete account. You can click remove and basically your account is deleted. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.